What we're building is not a point solution, it's an ecosystem. It has to solve systemic issues, and you have to be a master of so many domains. I'm blown away by the team I work on has managed to explore in depth, to build and fail in so many domains, from healthcare, education, finance, privacy enhancing technology, blockchain, AI. All of these areas are like explored to the edges of the frontier by various members of our team, and coming together now to actually build something that covers them all. Hey, my name is Zan. Live here in San Francisco. Originally from the East Coast in North Carolina, and yeah, moved here recently. And I was here for a couple of years before the pandemic, and traveled around for about 4 years, kind of during the midst of the city maybe losing a little bit of energy. And then about a year ago, I moved back, and it feels like the center of the world again. So I work with a foundation called AI MINDSystems, and we're building a new ecosystem for data ownership and sharing and computing to get some insights. And so it's a trusted data ecosystem. I would say that our main service and really mission at AI MINDSystems Foundation is to allow the emerging technologies that are changing our world, blockchain, AI, digital twins, to be accessible and usable in fair ways to folks that don't always have access. And this is really anyone but institutions. I think institutions are outfitted for extraordinary benefit from these technologies. And yeah, we're bringing that to people and families and communities. I'd say the biggest challenge facing with this whole project, the organization, the foundation, is playing in the realm of like utilizing blockchain technology for folks that haven't heard about it other than, let's say, what makes the news, which might be fraudulent activity or some other kind of viral phenomenon that's easy enough for people to grab and easy enough for people to have a strong opinion on. Is really kind of separating the technology from how it's been used, and kind of getting really into what is the potential use for it and how we're using it to better folks' lives. So yeah, maybe misconceptions is the biggest challenge. And building something that's bringing a big enough change that it's a little hard to describe. I would say what makes me proud of the project is it's really our original co-founder and CEO, Heather. So I started working with the company just a couple months after it got started, about a year ago, and the work that she has put in over not just the last 5 or 6 years building this particular like system and concept. Through some previous companies, et cetera, the recent legal entity and company's just a year old, but it's really the patience that someone has to have. So I'm impressed by all of the teammates that I have and their patience much longer than I've been in this game. All the cycles that they've been through and had to kind of wait out without just waiting, but continue to kind of fight through and continue to build through the cycles of either financial or just kind of the culture and society kind of crumbling around your idea and hating on it. But I'd say in summary, in short, I'm impressed by the number of areas that the team I work on has managed to explore in depth, because what we're building is not a point solution, it's an ecosystem. It has to solve systemic issues, and you have to be a master of so many domains that I'm blown away by not just the patience, but the grit to learn in depth and to basically build and fail in so many domains, from healthcare, education, finance, privacy enhancing technology, blockchain, AI. This is all of these areas are like, explored to the edges of the frontier by various members of our team, and coming together now to actually build something that covers them all. I'd say in 5 years, hope it doesn't take 10, but in 5 years, we really could be operating an entire new ethical data economy, where individuals own their data, all domains of their personal data, and are outfitted with the kind of enterprise grade compute that normally just corporations have. And essentially where they can be compensated and get, granular consenting for their data to be used in a system that really drives truly next level insights about population health. There's a number of areas that are not quite yet released system is capable of drawing insights from in an ethical way that really turns all of the possibility of AI that we're accelerating towards inevitably, really brings that to a person-centric, person-sovereign system where we can actually trust all of this technology that will be working, and it'll actually be working for us.